Hello folks, in this video I'm gonna talk about another Leatherman tool. Okay, what I have here with me is a Leatherman Raptor. Before I begin this introduction session, I would like to thank my friend Xiao Chui from California, who sent this over to me a couple of years ago. And basically what I have here is a folding pair of shears with attachment for all those Molly combat vests, but I don't use any combat vest, so I put this in my pack whenever I travel, especially when I need something that for me to cut. Okay, let's open up the Raptor. Basically what you see here is a very ingenious design. If you don't want to use the plastic carrying pouch, you can actually put this in your vest. There's a pocket clip here, there's a lanyard hole, and there's also a glass breaker at the end of the shears handle. Once you open it up, this becomes a very useful first responder tool. The Raptor itself, the cutting power of this pair of shears has been proven. I've cut through shoes, I've cut through leather, anything that can be considered strong enough, like those tough fabric, can be easily cut. Now the basic function of this tool is to assist in first responder to address their patients, anyone that was involved in an accident. They see something wrong on their clothing, maybe a broken bone. They can cut through fabric without much problem, and I find the cutting action super silky smooth, even on a pair of jeans. Now there's also a part here that you have at the bottom. It's actually meant for wires. You can actually use the sharp part here to clip off wires. And once you fold back the tool, there's another part which is a locking hook. Now this is the very serious part of the tool. What you do is that you have guys wearing boots or even tough leather. Once you slip the hook on the shoe and pull, the entire thing will just slip off like a hot knife on butter. It's really sharp, and I have never used this feature. It just remains on the shears. What I use most is the shears function of the tool, just to address some small first aid things and all that. Now what's interesting about this tool, when fully deployed, you can actually put it on the sheath, and a locking mechanism here prevents the sheath from opening. So once you pry the plastic off like that, it gets off, and you fold it. Even more compact carry, you can put it back in the holster. So yeah, this is the Leatherman Raptor, very useful shear. Before I sign off, the Raptor goes somewhere around 360 to 370 ringgit retail. Is quite an expensive pair of combat shears. I don't think any shears in the market, or some Leatherman wannabe, or some direct copy from China, can actually come close to the quality of these shears. And I have seen the Leatherman Raptor being sold around 700 to 800 ringgit. Now that's a real rip-off. What I do is that during my travels, I just go and look at prices and all that, and I find it really cheap outside Malaysia. You might find this at a very reasonable price on online stores. Well, there you have it, the Leatherman Raptor. Thank you very much for watching.